Hello everyone. In this video we'll be solving a Passcat puzzle. The question is 5 women decided to go to shopping to MG Road, Bangalore. They arrived at the designated meeting place in the following order. First Archana came, then Chilamma, then Denuka, then Helen, then Shenaz. After that each woman spent at least 1000. Okay. Below are some additional facts about how much they spent during their shopping. So first one is the woman who spent rupees 2234 arrived before the lady who spent rupees 1193. Then one woman spent rupees 1340 and she was not Dhenuka. So all these clues are regarding the amounts they are spending. If we go to the questions, first one is what was the amount spent by Helen. Second one is which of the following amounts was spent by one of them. Third one is the women who spent rupees 1193. So we have to find out the amount spent by each and every person. Then only we can answer these questions. So we'll go to the next slide. We'll try to find out who is spending how much. So here we have been given the order in which they are arriving. Okay. When we read the clues, we know that each woman is spending at least 1000. Then first clue here is the women who spent rupees 2234 arrive before the lady who spent 1193. So what I have to do is I have to assign a particular amount to a particular woman, and when I do that I have to cross check it with the order in which they are arriving. Okay, so this clue, first one, will help us to check whether we have solved the question correctly or not, because at last whatever amounts I'm assigning to all these women, I'll check whether this woman who is spending 2234, she's coming before the lady who is spending 1139 or not. Okay, next clue is one woman spent rupees 1340 and she was not Dhenuka. So one of the amounts spent, it is 1340 and this is not Dhenuka, right? In clue 1 we know that one of the amounts spent, it was 2234 and there was 1193 as one of the amounts spent. Next clue is one woman spent rupees 1378 more than Chilamma. So there is a woman who is spending 1378 more than Chilamma. Okay. Next clue is one woman spent rupees 2517 and she was not Archana. So we know one more amount that was spent, 2517, and this woman is not Archana. Okay. So we know 4 of the amounts spent, 1340, 2234, 1193 and 2517. I need to know one more amount over here. Okay, I need one more amount that was spent. Next clue is Helen spent more than Dhenuka. So I'll write Helen spent more than Dhenuka, right? Next clue is Shehnaz spent the largest amount and Chilamma the smallest. So Chilamma spent the least and Shehnaz spent the largest amount. Okay, I hope this is clear. So far we do not know which particular amount was spent by which particular lady. Okay, now from here I have 1193 as the least amount over here. Okay, for the 4 ladies we can have a amount smaller than that but greater than 1000. Okay, at least 1000. Now in one of the clues we are given that one woman is spending 1378 more than Chilamma. Okay, so can we assume that that lady is spending 1193? If that lady is spending 1193, she is spending 1378 more than Chilamma. So no, this cannot be that lady. Can we assume that 1340 was the amount spent by that lady who was spending 1378 more than Chilamma? No, because this is even lesser than 1378. Can we assume that 2234 is one of the amounts spent by the lady who is spending 1378 more than Chilamma? No, because then 2234 minus 1378, this would give the 6, 5 and 8. Okay, so in that case Chilamma would spend 856, but that is not possible because this is less than 1000, right? So even this is not possible. Last amount remaining is 2517. Can we assume that this is the lady who is spending 1378 more than Chilamma? So if I deduct 1378, I'll be getting 9, 3 and 11. Okay, so in that case this would be the amount spent by Chilamma, and yes, we can see that it is the least among all. So one of the amounts spent will be 1139. This is just an assumption going on. Okay, so this is Chilamma now. So the largest amount here now is 2517. It must be Shehnaz, right? Parallel to this, I also have to check the order here. Okay, so now this person cannot be Archana and this person cannot be Dhenuka, right? We have one more clue over here. Helen spent more than Dhenuka. So if I assume that this is Helen this is Dhenuka, then this would be Archana, right? So we can see that all the conditions are being satisfied in this. Hence, we can answer the question using these, okay? The order is also being followed and the amounts are also correct, okay? Another case could have been in which we would have assumed that 1193 was the amount spent by this least, okay? Who is spending the least? It is Chilamma, okay? Because this whole column, this we have found after our assumptions, okay? This is the amount spent by Chilamma, which was among the least amount that was given to us. Then in that case, some lady would have spent 1193 plus 1378, which would have given us 1725, okay? 2571. In that case, 2571 would have become the largest of all the amounts given, and this would have been spent by Shehnaz, right? We were also given that the women who spent 2234 will arrive before the lady who spent 1193. So we know that 1193 is spent by Chilamma. So we will write 1193 over here, okay? In that case, using the first clue, we will have to assign this amount 2234 to Archana, okay? Because there's only one lady before Chilamma who is spending 1193. So 2234 must be given to Archana, right? So yes, we can do that. We can assign 2234 to Archana. And Shehnaz, we have assigned 2571. So I'll write 2571 over here. Now only two amounts are left, which are 11340 and 2517. These amounts are left. We have assigned Archana amount of 2234, okay? In that case, now we have only two ladies left, Helen and Dhenuka. We know that Helen will spend more than Dhenuka. So this must be Helen, this must be Dhenuka, okay? But we were given in clue 2 that one woman spent 1340 and she was not Dhenuka. But we are getting the same over here. Dhenuka is spending 1340. So this whole case can be eliminated, okay? We will not assume that 1193 was the amount spent by Chilamma, and all this case will be gone, okay? We'll answer the question using the first arrangement. So the first question is, what was the amount spent by Helen? It was 1340. Option B. Which of the following amounts was spent by one of them? So 1139, yes, it is being spent by Chilamma, not 1378, not 2571, not 2718. Next one is the women who spent 1193. It is Dhenuka. Option C will be the correct answer. So that's it. It was a very good puzzle. I hope the explanation was clear. If you have a doubt, please comment. Thank you.